Hello and welcome to the Craft Papa Show. Today I'm going to show you how that I clean my ComposiMold after I've run it through a couple of molds. It picks up a lot of extra resin and colorant and sticks and dirt and all kinds of stuff because I drop it on the ground a lot, and it works a lot better when it's clean, because anytime these little flakes of resin gets into your mold, it will make an impression on whatever you're doing. So usually I clean it all up. I got quite a bit, and then I have a box of dirty stuff, and then I just, when the box gets full, I just sit down and clean it all. So this is what I got to do it. This is part of an old tent, the mosquito net. I just cut it off. It's going to the trash anyways, so I just cut off the mosquito net. This is a metal ring I got, and then support it on some stuff, and then the clean will go into here, and then when I need a chunk I can just cut it off and throw it in. Alright, so I'm going to do a couple and then fill it up, and then I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so we got this out of the microwave. It was in there for about a minute, half a cup or so. Mix it up so you get all the chunks out. Stick the next chunk into the microwave, and here's where the magic happens. So it just comes through nice and clean. It takes it a little bit, so have something to do. Watch a movie or whatever. Hello, and we're back. So this is the next day. It got over 100 yesterday, so I just let it sit in the sun. Got down to just this much. And look at all the bits and things. This is part of that bebop, if you haven't seen that. Another piece of bebop. We lost a lot of him. So we're going to pop this off. All the stuff on this side is all clean. We're going to try to peel that off. And all this stuff on the top, we might, if we can get it off, we might throw that back in the microwave and go one more shot. See if we can get it separated. I had it separated one time and it worked really good. A lot of other times I was unable to do it. Okay. This might take a little work, so why do today what we can do tomorrow? Okay. This is what we ended up with. Not bad. Not bad at all. Lots clean, ready to go. Alright, then we'll just pull these out, separate these, cut them in half, and then they'll be ready to drop into the cup for more molding. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.